FactoryTalk Warehouse can control all warehouse activities required to support production operations, including inbound processing, storage and operation, and outbound processing. Specifically, Warehouse supports inbound processing activities, including goods receipt processing, quality inspection, deconsolidation, and put away with location determination based on material and storage conditions. Storage and operation activities, including stock records, stock adjustment for examples based on stock counting, rearrangements of logistic units and sublots, management of the status of batches and sublots, transport orders based on material and storage conditions, and tracking the cool chain. Outbound processing activities, including goods issue processing, picking with location determination, consolidation, packing, wave management, and shipping orders.